Hello everybody, I've got the ASSA RUKO 2 padlock. This was sent to me by COPLOCK. Thank you very much, COPLOCK. I also picked the ASSA RUKO 2 a couple of months back, sent to me by Victor, but that was much easier. This has got a countermilling in the core and it's got them ASSA spools inside. So it's quite a difficult pick for me anyway. For some of you guys, you probably get it open much quicker. Sometimes I can get it open under 3 minutes, sometimes it goes to about 6 minutes, so let's just... Yeah, there we go. That's 1 minute 22 seconds. That was quicker than I was expecting it. To be honest, I wasn't expecting it this fast. Thank you very much, COPLOCK, for giving me the opportunity to pick this lock. I would have gutted it, but I ain't got a star screwdriver. To be honest, I'm buzzing. I wasn't expecting this to be open this quick. I thought it'll get opened in 3 minutes or something, 3 to 6 minutes. But, well, I'm just buzzing that I've got it open this quick. And it's got all the pins and everything inside. One second, I need a better pick. So thank you very much, Rick, for getting me open. Now I can get to work on my dimples. I've got this on camera. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity to pick this beautiful lock. I shall be passing this on to the next victim soon. Probably swap it for a couple of dimple locks or something. Thank you.